duck, tiny orange beak, bright sparkling eyes,
fluffy little wings, tiny webbed feet, wagging little tail, smiling all day.
Morning sun is bright, water shines blue, little duck is ready, splashing with you.
Come along, friends, let's have fun, swimming together, one by one.
Splash, splash, water,
Jump right in, swim together now, big happy grin. Wave your wings, stamp your feet, turn around now, feel the beat.
quack, 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 splash, 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 swim, 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 now round and round. Quack, 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 flip, flip, flip,
Now wave your wings,
spin around. Splashing in water,
laughing together,
happy little duck, fun forever.
floating very softly,
Swimming very fast, making tiny ripples, shining as they pass.
playing with bubbles, chasing little fish, dancing on water, making every wish.
Up goes the water, down comes the splash, jumping over puddles, having so much fun.
Never getting sleepy, always full of cheer, playing in the pond every day, all year.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can!
Can you splash?
Splash, splash, splash! Can you quack? Quack, quack, quack! Swim together now, laugh together.